Do the seasonal challenges when there's pollens and dusts and all that flying through the air wreak havoc on your body, giving you itchy, watery eyes, runny nose, and sneezing up the wazoo? It can happen and it can be a miserable time. Today we're going to find some natural ways to help support your body during this challenging season. Hello, I'm Marcia Vogel with Ray of Hope Essentials, bringing you yet another way to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. So one of my favorite and simplest ways to help support my body during times of seasonal challenges is this. And it's not the fruit. We're actually going to take the peel of either the orange or the lemon, and either you can grate it, you can chop it up into small pieces, and we're going to swallow it down. And within like 5 minutes, the natural antihistamines in the peel will give your body some relief. It's amazing how fast this works. If you don't have fresh orange or lemon peel, you can use the dried off that you've dried yourself or from the spice counter. And it works fantastic. It's got natural antihistamines that work well. My husband likes to add vitamin C, which also has antihistamine properties, and then he adds pantothenic acid to help. And that trio combination of the peel, the C, and the pantothenic acid work really well together to help to soothe and calm intense body response to the pollens and dust. When you think about essential oils to use, the most common ones, the first ones that pop into my head would be lemon, which is very cleansing, lavender, which is very soothing and it has antihistamine properties, and then peppermint, which helps to open the airways. This trio together makes a wonderful blend to help support your body. You can, if you're comfortable taking them internally with doTERRA oils, you can. These all have the supplement fact label, so they can be taken internally. You can take 2 drops of each, add them to a small amount of water, 1 ounce to 4 ounces, and chug a lug. That will work. You can drop them right underneath your tongue and let them sit there for about 30 seconds. You can mix it with some honey. Local honey is even better. You can add it to a gel capsule. So you can get these from doTERRA. You can get them at any food store, health food store. And it's just a little gel capsule. This one will hold about 12 drops, but it comes in 2 pieces. And you put the oils in the big part, put the lid on, and push it down, and then you can swallow that and not taste the oils. So some people prefer not to taste them so much. You will burp them. It gets quite interesting when you're taking oils internally when you burp. Just being honest here with you. So you can also take these oils and add them to a rollerball and use them topically. So you can run it along your jawline, you can run it over your forehead. Be careful, you can do it over your cheekbones, but be careful not to get too close to the eyes because it has peppermint in it. You can do it on the bottoms of your feet with special attention to your toes and right beneath the toes, on the ball of your feet there. You can also add 2 drops of each to a diffuser. You can add more if you need to, but 2 drops to a diffuser will help get it in the air, and you will get the response that way too, just using it aromatically. If you are traveling a lot, an easy way to go is either the rollerball or Triease. This is the seasonal blend soft gels from doTERRA. It takes 2 drops of lemon, lavender, and peppermint and puts them in this little soft gel that you can just swallow down, and you've got your oils in an easy way to very easy manner. One oil that people don't think about for seasonal challenges is Digestzen. So it does have some peppermint in it, but it also has ginger, so it's ginger, peppermint, coriander, anise, and fennel. But it works really well on those times when you've got those watery eyes and the runny nose and the sneezing going on. So you can just open the bottle up, tip it over like this, and rub it along your jawline. You can put it over your forehead. You can do it over your sinus, on your cheekbones, on your sinus area. Still don't want it in your eyes, but this one isn't near as pepperminty. You can also do it down your neck. Some people just do the jaw and the neck. You can also put it on your feet. And it helps with those seasonal challenges also. If you are traveling and you prefer this blend, it also comes in a gel cap. That would be convenient to put in just a little pill case and carry. You can take it internally and it gets through your whole system that way. If you like using it topically, then just a pinhole or a little knife prick will get the oil out, and you can apply it there. And it's the same oil that was in the bottle in a nice convenient gel capsule. So that's great for traveling. Another oil that supports you very well during this time is Breathe. This is the respiratory blend. It helps to open your airways, open your sinuses. It keeps everything moving. You can put this on your chest. You can do it straight or diluted. Probably recommend diluted at first until you see how your body reacts. You can never go wrong diluting. Okay, it does not take away any of the effectiveness. It actually makes it more effective because it keeps it on your skin longer instead of it flashing off and evaporating into the air with your body heat. You can also put that in a diffuser. Works really well to help keep your airways open during these challenging times. Melissa has a lot of anti-histamine properties. That's one of the characteristics of Melissa oil, as does Roman chamomile. Very calming and soothing to the skin, to the stomach, to the mind, and to the parts of your body that create those histamine responses. Yarrow palm is another oil that has antihistamine properties that you could use. So there are a few natural remedies that will help you during this time of seasonal challenges. Comment below which one you're excited to try first. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways we can use essential oils in our health and wellness journey, because they don't do us any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.